Hi there, this is Storm Street. This is the next report. Haven't done one in a few days. Its location is still Somerville, South Carolina. Saturday, August 14th. It's 11:31, and so the risk for severe weather today. There's not a high risk today, but there's a marginal risk for the Northeast and Florida and other places, but not in South Carolina. There is a risk for excessive rainfall in Southwest, Virginia, and Florida. Washington warnings is tropical storm warnings over here in the Gulf Coast because of tropical storm Fred that did form, but the last one I made a video it's not formed yet. And we also have tropical storm Grace. So we have Fred over here in Cuba, but it's only a tropical depression right now because it got weakened, but it is expected to go back to a tropical storm, but not any higher than that. Then tropical storm Grace formed early this morning, and it's not super strong yet, but it is expected to strengthen. So we can see where it might go according to NOAA. It will probably go along the same, close to the same path as Fred did, but just more north. And then we can see what it might end up being. And most of the models make it only be a tropical storm, but a few make it go to a hurricane status, and even one all the way to Category 4 status. Now, there's a prediction that is by Storm Streams that is not official or necessarily even accurate to what is measured by professional sources, but it's what this channel personally thinks for that. And so we see by the key, so we have tropical depression Fred that's 35 miles per hour right now. So it's getting somewhat close to being, it's pretty close to being a tropical storm again because it needs to be 38 miles per hour to do that. So it only needs to go 3 more miles per hour. Then Grace is 40 miles per hour, so it's hardly even a tropical storm. But if it wants to be, to get to a hurricane, it needs to be 74 miles per hour. So Fred is expected. We can see that this black line is right here. That would mean what is right now known almost exactly for sure. But so for Fred, it's widely expected that it will tomorrow probably become a tropical storm again, and then it will continue on in the Gulf Coast and make landfall in the Florida Panhandle around Monday at 8 p.m. So Fred, you still should watch out if you live in that area, but it's not too much of a problem because it's going to be super strong. Now Grace is more of a thing to watch because right now it's right here, but you need to watch out in Puerto Rico because it will make landfall there, but probably only as a tropical storm, also in the Dominican Republic. But then it will continue out more north than Fred was, because Fred probably went into this. And it probably really weakened it when it's gone over Cuba. But anyways, because it is able to be in warm water right here in the Caribbean, and a lack of shear can mean that it, according to Storm Streams, probably will become a hurricane. How strong right now it's only estimated to be Category 2. Although the National Weather Service, NOAA, only thinks it will be a tropical storm, but if it takes a more southern path, then it will probably do the same thing with Fred and only be a tropical storm. But if it is able to go north, then it will probably be a hurricane. And it can make landfall in the Bahamas, but it will start out as a category 1, but by the time it gets close to the Bahamas, it might be a category 2, and it will go around the East Coast, maybe make landfall near Miami, and then it will keep going on the East Coast. You'll have to watch out Florida, Georgia, and it might make landfall again near Savannah, Georgia by Sunday, next Sunday. So this thing will probably be a long one that's long as this is the case. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.